Track the effectiveness of your sourcing strategies. Evaluate the quality of your recruitment process. Automatically generate the onboarding workflow schedule and the offboarding workflow schedule. Define your settings. Enter open jobs descriptions. Enter candidate data. Onboarding completed tasks for new employees and offboarding completed tasks for leaving employees. The recruitment funnel report shows number of open positions, sourced candidates, rejected candidates, in-progress candidates, number of declined job offers, number of hires, started working employees, number of departures, and remaining job vacancies. Percentage of filled positions, conversion rate, job interview progress, declined offers rate, and company ability to retain employees. The HR team spends an average of 23 days to review an application, evaluate it, invite it for an interview and hire it. This is the time needed to fill a position. Here is how long it takes to get someone to start work. Hiring a new employee costs the company $1,730 on average. Hiring rate by recruitment source. Reasons why candidates are not hired. Reasons why candidates refuse the company job offers. This report shows the number of open positions, number of hires, average days to hire an employee, average cost of hiring a new employee, number of employees who left the company, and remaining job vacancies. By job title, job experience level, job department, and work mode. It also displays the schedule for job interviews and the score of candidates. This report shows key metrics for onboarding workflow progress for each new employee, and the onboarding schedule, due date, task, and who the task is assigned to. This report shows key metrics for offboarding workflow progress for employees departing from the company, and the offboarding schedule, due date, task, and who the task is assigned to.